How to make your Facebook profile private in 2025. Let's get started. First, update your Facebook app. For that, launch your App Store or Play Store, then search for the app Facebook. After app appears, if you find the option of update, just click on it and update the app to its latest version. Then you can launch it. You'll be directed to the home page. Now head towards your profile page. For that, click on the profile picture given at the top left. Once you're on the profile page, now click on three dots. Different options will appear. Navigate to the option Lock Profile. Once you lock your profile, only friends will see your past and future photos, posts, and stories on your profile. Only friends will see your full resolution profile picture and cover photo. People will still be able to see public posts you are tagged in, search for you, and send you friend requests. Click on Lock Your Profile. And just with that, you have made your Facebook account private. So that's a wrap for this video. If this guide helped you out, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.